Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome, and I hope you subscribe because I post really nice, easy recipes. So in today's video, we're going to make an Oreo ice cream. So you're gonna need about 18 to 20 Oreos. Just transfer those into a zip bag like that one, or if you've got a blender, you can just put them in a blender or a food processor and you're just gonna crush them. So I use the rolling pin to crush mine. So you're just gonna crush them like that up until they're crushed like that. So once you're done crushing your Oreos, they should look something like this. You're just going to set them aside, and then we're going to move on to the cream mixture. You're going to add about 500 ml of fresh cream in a bowl, and you're going to whisk it. Just keep on whisking until, just whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes for a start. After whisking for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you're going to add 1 can of condensed milk, which is about 385 grams, or you can also add even 1 cup, which is about 250 ml of condensed milk. And you're just going to whisk up until the cream mixture starts to develop soft peaks like that. Then you're going to add your crushed Oreos into the cream mixture. Don't add all of them, just leave maybe about 1 Oreo. Yeah, just add that. Just leave about 1 and set it aside, and then just fold in the Oreos into the cream mixture like that. Once you're done folding in the Oreos into the mixture, just transfer it to another dish that you can put in the fridge. Now, that 1 Oreo that we left, sprinkle on top just to give it, that good, I don't know, just do it. It looks nice, as you can see. So yeah, it should look something like that, guys. Can you see? Can you look at what I made? Anyway, you're gonna get a cling wrap, and then you're just going to wrap it like that, and then you're going to refrigerate it. So I put mine in the fridge overnight. Yeah, overnight really works, but if you're in a rush, you can maybe do 12 hours at least, but overnight really works perfectly fine. The next day, your ice cream should look like this. So I enjoyed mine. I put mine in a cone. Guys, can you look at that? It really looks nice, and it was tasting so delicious. Try out this recipe, and you're gonna tell me if you're gonna keep on buying ice cream. But yeah, you can also do a shake with this. You can just add milk, scoop, I don't know how many scoops that you like, and then you can add it into a blender, add milk, and then you also have an Oreo shake. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want